handmade miniature shelving with 4 shelves, and the top one, which is made of high quality pine wood. I crafted this by hand, and I use planks 3 millimeters by 10 millimeters and wooden beams that are 5 millimeters by 5 millimeters square beams. And this is high quality pine miniature material. I offer these materials also like craft supplies for miniatures on my website, and this also you can find available on my website ExiArts.com. So this miniature is about 12.5 centimeters high, and this is about 6 centimeters wide and about 5 centimeters wide. Yeah, I mean 5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters, 12.5 centimeters, and I can compare this. This is in 1:12 scale, so I can compare with some miniature books that you can put whatever you desire on this shelving. Of course, this is not perfect for library, but this is shelving for a lot of other stuff that you can use. And what else? You can compare this shelving with this